we are discussing a force majeure law in relation to the lockdown, as a lot of disputes in relation to contract in this lockdown has come to fore, where a lot of landlords are pleading that they have given their premises and they need their rent, but on the contrary, tenants are claiming a force majeure, that they were unable to work for good 2 months or to whatever extent this lockdown has taken place, so they should be exempted from paying to the landlord. So now in this context we are going to discuss the law laid down by Honorable Supreme Court. So Honorable Supreme Court, right from 1954 in Bange's case to Energy Watchdog in 2017, has been absolutely consistent that unless there is a permanence of some event, a temporary event you cannot plead force majeure. So force majeure can only be pleaded if it has been spelled out in the contract that if there will be a pandemic, then you cannot claim rent. So if that is not the case, the owner is to be paid rent, meaning thereby the tenant is to pay rent in law to the landlord, and he cannot avoid on the ground of force majeure, because force majeure will not come to his rescue.
Get expert legal advice with Lorado.com. Hit subscribe on our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. You can also follow our Facebook page and get the latest posts in your newsfeed.